Let's take a look at the InstaCuppa portable multi-kettle. It has a power of 600 watt which results in quick heating. It has a capacity of 1000 ml. The handles fold flat which helps you carry it very easily while traveling. It comes with a removable base which is easy to use, clean and maintain. The lid also has a foldable handle on top, hence overall this kettle is very easy to carry while traveling. Remove the plastic film which you find under the lid before using. It has 304 stainless steel interior with maximum and minimum capacity marked on it, so you can fill it accordingly. It has a spill-free pouring spout. This is the base of the kettle which you must not wash with water and keep it clean and dry. The base has power cord attached to it which wraps inside the base itself. Hence, you can put this base inside the kettle while storing. It helps you maximize the space while traveling. Here in the options you get keep boiling which is on one side. You can boil using this option. When you keep it in the middle, it's turned off, and you have keep warm option. It includes a detachable egg boiler which you can assemble while using. This kettle is very easy to use. First, I am boiling some eggs in it. Pour some water, place the eggs in the stand and use keep boiling option. Do not place the lid while boiling eggs so that water doesn't splash out. Once the eggs are done, take them out. Perfectly boiled eggs are ready. This kettle is great for making instant noodles, soups, baby food and more on the go. This kettle automatically shuts off and then restarts within a few seconds, making it very safe to use. For making rice, I am adding 1 cup water. To the water, we'll add some salt and ghee to get perfectly cooked rice. Next, I am adding half cup rice which I had soaked for around 30 minutes. Now stir the rice and partially cover it. Do not close the lid completely. Stir the rice occasionally so that it gets cooked evenly. And once you see that the water is almost dry, you need to close the lid and switch to keep warm mode. And let the rice rest for around 10 minutes at keep warm mode. Perfectly cooked and fluffy rice is ready to serve.